Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on More Connections. Then click on Bluetooth and tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Following that, you need to wait for available devices to show and click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Lastly, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can disconnect them by choosing this gear next to the device and tapping on Forget at the bottom left corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!